I got two keyboards from Uniqmag here. That's right, the UQ68 and the UQ71. So let's get them open, see what kind of stuff Uniqmag's got going on. Let's do it. There it is, UQ68, baby. Okay, let's get out the other one. Boom, pretty much the same packaging, except this one's definitely bigger. Okay, here we go. Let's start with this one, the smaller one. On the box, it's kind of cool. It says the keyboard that floats your typing dreams. Let's open it up. Oh, it's got a magnetic clip on the box. Yo. Oh, it's got like a key on it. Oh, the quick guide is just printed on the box. I like that. Okay, we got some instructions and stuff here. And there it is. Boom. It's so heavy. This thing is a freaking unit. There's the back. It's got like carbon fiber back there. Okay, this is the UQ68. Inside the box, let's see what we get here. We get a nice long silicone cable, interesting. I don't mind silicone for keyboards because it's not like you're gonna be moving the keyboard around, but for like a mouse, I prefer braided. Easier to slide around. This is a couple of extra switches. Keycap and switch puller. Oh, and like a black velvet carrying bag for this bad boy. Oh, that sold me. I love that. Okay, now that we've seen this, we're gonna move on to the next one. We got the Uniqmag UQ71. Boom. Same thing, same sort of deal. This one looks a little bit nicer than the other one. We got the Uniqmag instructions, same stuff here. Whoa, wow, this one's way cooler. Whoa, wow, look at this part. Look at this part. Look at the back. Whoa, that's so sick. It says all beings are imbued with magnetic force. How beautiful. Okay, so we got our two keyboards here. Real quick, we'll just see if there's any differences in accessories or if we get the same sort of deal here. We get our two extra switches. Little gray ones, these bad boys. Pure magic. Keycap and switch puller. Get our little velvet bag. And we found the only real difference is the color of the cable. The other one was black, but same material for the cable, like a silicone cable. Not like cheap silicone, it's like the nice one. Is this the world's first springless magnetic switch? Let's take a look inside and prove that there's no spring. I want to see if there's a secret spring in here somewhere. I've never taken apart a switch before. Spring where? This is the part that you push in. So, I mean, it looks like I'm pushing on a spring, right? That looks like a spring action, but it's not. It's just a little magnet and another couple little magnet. And there you go. That's all that's in there. This is it. You're literally just pushing on two magnets. There ain't no actual contact happening. Wow, there's all the pieces. Pretty cool little technology. I've actually never taken apart a switch, so that was kind of cool. This is the UQ71. It's beautiful. It says get start. You're stronger than you can imagine. And then it says Thunderbolt Magneto motive on the side. I think it's kind of cool. It gives it like that cyberpunk vibe. I love it, dude. It's like a race car. It's like fully aluminum. Multiple colors. It's like rose gold here. It's got this red, I guess like foot kind of built in for a bit of an angle. And it's so beautiful. Just a one piece, no adjustable leg, just a nice, solid, beefy boy. I mean, looks alone, I think this one's worth personally, but let's take a look at the other one. Okay, and then this one, the UQ68, it's a smaller size. You get more of a gaming experience with a gaming keyboard. You kind of want to have like the smallest one possible. That way you have more space for your mouse. Dude, this thing is honestly mint. Like it's got the little side panels on the side. You could probably swap out. It's got the pink. I like the pink color. I like the pixel art kind of font. You can kind of see it a little bit. It's just so cool, man. This thing is just different. I've never seen a keyboard like this. This one's also full aluminum. Oh, it's a mirror. It's a mirror on the side. Let me peel it. I'm peeling it. Peel successful. Yo, can you see the camera? There's the back. There's the front. Side. Side. And this one, it's also got like some indicator lights on that. I'll show you that at the setup. There's the front. There's the back. Side. Side. And special shout out to this part. This is so sick. Now that we have our two keyboards from Uniqmag here, our UQ68 and our UQ71, I'm gonna take it to the setup. We're gonna plug them in, just mess around with them a little bit, see what the lighting looks like and stuff like that. And then we're gonna test it out in some sort of game or something. So I'll see you there at the setup. Real quick before I forget, I wanna do a quick sound test on both of these. So we'll start with the 68. Oh, dude, that sounded so good. Okay, and the next one. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to take both keyboards to the setup. Now that we know a little bit about them, maybe try a typing game or something. I don't know yet. We'll see how it goes. But I at least want to see the RGB and make sure they feel good during gaming because they do have crazy specs for gaming. So I'll see you guys at the setup. Okay, first one we're going to be trying out is the UQ71. Whoa, there's RGB in there. Look, it shows up at the top of the keyboard. There's the speed. Dang, this thing can go fast. We got a single line splash. I like that. What's this called? Jelly bean raindrop or something? Whoa. It's got the rain, digital rain. Well, that one's cool. Got a little back and forth motion. Snake. Okay, that's everything. We've seen the RGB. You can change it around with the button combinations and stuff like that. Let me stop real quick. Okay, so I found the driver for this. This is for both Uniqmag keyboards. It's called settings.uniqmagx.com. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter our magnetic axis ecosystem. Boom. Now we can adjust things. So you have some lighting, cloud, flying, rotate, neon. So like this works. This is called double wave, run, rainbow, blooming. And then you can come over here and change any of the parameters. In case you pick like a constant color, change the brightness all the way or go down to none. You can adjust the speed here with the slider if you want. We have our performance tab. You got 3 different modes here. We have the standard mode, firing mode, which changes all your settings to 8K 1.5, 0.3, RT, and same for release on RT. So this basically, it's just a preset. So if you want to start shooting, use this one. If you want to be super ultra high frequency power, top performance, and you're super good with sensitivity and you don't have a heavy finger or whatever, then just click this right away instead of having to adjust all of your settings manually. Then speaking of manual settings, this is where you can adjust each individual key. You can adjust the rapid trigger, latency, actuation, all that good stuff. The dead zones. In the remapping, you can map any key to any key you want. So if you want to do this, remap it to Windows. Now when I hit Q, it opened my Windows. Does that make any sense? No, but it's your keyboard and you can do what you want. Okay, and then calibration, do a bunch of calibration stuff here. And of course, just your regular settings, 8K polling rate, we will keep that there. We got light mode, dark mode for the Uniqmag website. You can make profiles if you want. So if you decide to make a bunch of settings, maybe do it on different profile. That way you can at least save your progress. And that's pretty much it for performance. Now, this one and the other one are both going to be the same on the software. So I'm just going to plug the other one in, show you guys the RGB and stuff, and then we'll try it out some game or something. So let me go grab the other one. If we were going on cuteness factor, I'd say this one, just because I like the shape of it. I just like that it's really small, and I like the pink. I'm a huge fan of pink. Let's connect this one to the software. UQ68, we're gonna hit connect, and here's all the lighting settings. It's got the same ones. Whoa, wait, the RGB looks crazy on this one. Oh, because the speed's up all the way. Wow. Now that is sick. Yeah, I think rainfall definitely wins for today. Then you have performance tab, got the same 3 modes. For travel, the same settings. You can go 0.001 on your actuation. You can select a bunch of keys, select them all. If you want, change them all down to like 0.001 millimeter rapid trigger. But then you're in danger of having too much power in your hands. You got some more remapping here. You got DKS, MT, TGL, RS key binding, SOCD, MPT, and we got some macros and stuff. So actually really good stuff. I guess I didn't cover this in the other one, but macros are really important, especially competitive high level gaming. And we have some calibration stuff, and it's at 8K polling rate as well. So essentially what we want to do is we'll leave it for now, just have it 8K. I don't like messing with the rapid trigger too much because it could cause some double typing sometimes. So let's get into a game. I got a game especially for keyboard. It's called Final Sentence. It's like a keyboard typing battle royale. So let's get that open. Here it is. Here it is. What the?
Welcome, contestants. The game begins now.
Oh my god. 1, What? Oh no. What? Why is this so hard? I can't do this. How are people so fast at this? I hear them typing. No, this is really difficult. Uh-oh. Oh no. I'm so scared. No! No! Ah! It messed with my brain! Wait! Ah! No! Okay, we're lucky. We got lucky. Okay, which one am I on? This is harder than it looks, man. What am I supposed to do here? Imagine once it starts having actual words. What do I do here? Ah, what do I don't know what to do. Okay, we're fine. Somebody. No, they're too fast. What?
The other players.
Oh, I was too slow. No. Dude, the UQ71, man, didn't let me down. It felt really nice. I'm a very slow typer, but overall, like, I definitely would have an advantage in a game like this if I wasn't so trash. I'm gonna need lots of practice. Anyways, let's switch to the other one and see how that one feels. But just like typing overall is just like, the switches just feel so strange, like so different than anything I've ever felt before. It's supposed to be like the first springless mechanical switch or something. I don't know. They were at CES and they got some pretty cool stuff going on. I'm dropping in. I'm dropping in.
Welcome, contestants. The game begins now.
What? Ah! No! My fingers are so fat. No. Ah! Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Dude, what is happening? Okay, I'm getting too confident. A comma? Just do it. Just do it. I deserve it. I deserve it. I'm trash. Run it back. Run it back. Okay, one more match. I'm locked. I'm locked. I'm locked.
The game begins now.
I'm locked. What? That's a W, bro. What? Dude, I can't even get past the second line. This is insane. This is insane. What? There's no way. I'm broken. I'm broken. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Dude, my finger is literally so fat. What is happening? I'm like actually like the worst player to have ever existed. That's fucking bullshit! That's fucking bullshit. What? This game is gonna piss me off. Somebody just got shot. Dude, literally, f you. No, there's no way. I'm looking at the keyboard. I know which keys I'm hitting, young man. Nah, I deserved it, that one too. Hey, admit it. I'm pretty good at typing, y'all. Admit it. Admit it. This is a pretty fun game, isn't it? Anyways, overall, Uniqmag UQ68, UQ71, they're two freaking one-of-a-kind keyboards, man. I really do enjoy these, and I have no other word to describe them besides unique. They're definitely different. They're full aluminum. They got the specs to back it up. They're good for gaming. They're good for typing. They're good for pretty much anything you can throw at it. With 8K polling rate, 16K scan rate, rapid trigger, all the goodies. It's got everything. Anyways, give them a shot. I know maybe you never heard of them before, but they definitely didn't let me down today. So if you want a cool new keyboard that not a lot of other people have, definitely cop one of these because, dude, honestly, honestly, they're mean looking, dude. Special shout out to this one because pink, but also the other one had that really cool red tray on it. But I like them both, man. And the switches just feel so different. Like they really do. I don't think I've ever pushed a switch like this. It's just nice. Yes, they saw my CES video and then I walked right past their booth. So they were like, what the heck, man? So maybe next year at CES, maybe we'll get to see Uniqmag's booth or whatever. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you like these keyboards. They're freaking sick, man. Let me grab the other one. 10 out of 10 Uniqmag. You guys did a bang up job on these for real. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link for them in the description and I hope to see you guys in the next tech review. Peace. Thanks for watching.